Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high-protein, super crispy, super healthy, super quick and easy, spicy chips made with chickpeas, but taste so good. They're addictive, but don't worry, these chips are so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of chickpeas. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a powerful blender. Along with a quarter cup of tahini. A quarter cup of water. 2 teaspoons of paprika powder. And half a teaspoon of salt. Next, blend it until smooth. Now press it through a piping bag onto a baking sheet. Form them with a wet spoon. Bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And enjoy super crispy and super healthy chips! Thanks for watching.